Hi friends, in this video we will learn a poem, A Basket Full of Moonlight. Now, basket full of moonlight means what? Toplibar Chandraprakash Toplibar Channi. Okay, this poem is translated by Sunil Sharma. The poem is the original poem is in a Dogri language, and I think you know that what is by Dogri language. Dogri language, it is a northern Indo-Aryan language spoken by about how many people? I told you that 5 million people in India. That is also chiefly in Jammu region, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and this in this poem there is no rhyme scheme, so it is a free verse. Okay, now look at the first stanza. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Now look at the first four lines. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. In this poem, the speaker of the poem is a small boy and he lives in a village. And now he is addressing to the moon. तो कुणाला बोलत आहे, कुणाला उद्देशून बोलत आहे? Basketful seeds of moonlight. Why he want that seeds of moonlight? Because he want to lighten the path of the village. What he want to do? Lighten the path of the village, because so many people from his village, they go to the city for a work, daily work, and so because of that he wants what? Seeds of the moonlight, and so he is requesting to the moon to give him a basketful or basketful or two basketful moonlight. Understood? The whole village goes to the city for daily work, and because of that he wants what? Moonlight. When they return, in that time the whole path is become a dark. There is no street lights, there is no, the road is also not good, the road is also very tough, and the village is also far away from the city. That road is full very dangerous, because beside the road maybe there is a sugar cane, maybe the farms, maybe the jungle, so it is very tough, dangerous. There are full of snakes, scorpions, maybe the animals also there, and there is no bus also, there is no cart plies or not bus also plies. Now what is by ply means travel regularly over a route. प्लाय म्हणजे ये जा करणे. त्या रोडवरती बस पण नाही आहेत, बुलक कार्ट वॉट एव्हर दॅट कार्ट, कुठलीही गाडी तिथून जात नाही. अँड वेन हिज फादर रिटर्न होम, व्हॉट हॅपन? इन दॅट टाइम दॅट चाइल्ड वेन टू in the speaker in the poem is a small boy. Understood? And where he lives? He lives in a village. The people in the village go to the city to work daily. The people from that village, they go to the city for work. Okay, and the village is also far away from the city. The route is so much long, that is far away, and also dangerous. Why dangerous? Because beside the road maybe there is a sugar cane, maybe the farms, maybe the jungle, and because of that there may be the animals. Here the poet used the snakes and scorpions because of to show the alliteration. Okay, snakes and scorpions. Yes, sir is repeated there. So here he used the snakes and scorpions, means you have to think like animals, whatever that dangerous animals are there. By the time the villager returns, it becomes dark, and there is, just you know that that is a very dangerous way. There is, and also there is no bus, there is no cart, there is also no bullock cart from the city to the village. People have to walk to on that village, to come to the city, or walk to the village once again. And when his father returned, in that time what happened, the boy go to sleep. ज्यावेळी वडील परत येतात त्यावेळी तो झोपलेला असतो, कारण की त्यांच्या वडिलांना यायला खूप उशिरा होतो. या कवितेमध्ये एक मुलगा आहे, तो स्पीकर आहे, तो चंद्राला उद्देशून म्हणत आहे की त्याला काय पाहिजे आहे, मूनलाईट पाहिजे. किती पाहिजे म्हणतो तो, बास्केटफुल किंवा 2 बास्केटफुल. कशासाठी, कारण की सगळे गावकरी गावाचा आणि शहराचा जो रस्ता आहे तो खूप डेंजरस आहे. रात्री येताना खूप भीती वाटतं, आणि त्या रोडवरती बसेससुद्धा नाही आहेत किंवा बैलगाड्यासुद्धा ये जा करत नाही आहेत. आणि त्यामुळे त्याला काय करायचं आहे, लायटन द पाथ. त्याला काय करायचं आहे, त्या रोडवरती उजेड आणायचा आहे, आणि त्यामुळे तो चंद्राकडून बास्केटफुल किंवा 2 बास्केटफुल मूनलाईट मागत आहे. आणि दरवेळी त्याचे वडील घरी येतात काम संपवून, त्यावेळी तो मुलगा झोपलेला असतो. Understood? Now we will learn the next part in the next video. Okay, thank you.